Okay, this is Jake and I's first honey harvest. We've had bees for 2 years. This is kind of bittersweet because the reason we're harvesting honey is because the hives died. We recognize our mistake now. Treating for mites could have really saved the bees. Look at all of that. A lot of fresh wax, a lot of really good looking honey, some pollen there in the middle. This is the strainer that will go on top of the bucket.
That's pretty sweet, babe.
This video might be kind of long just because it's so satisfying. So we are not using a honey extractor. We didn't feel like renting one, and I don't want to buy specialty tools that we'll only use once a year. So this scraping method does destroy the wax, but we only will ever have 1 or 2 hives, and it's just not worth it to me to have a honey extractor, and I like getting wax afterward as well.
Wow, look at all that.
So we've now done this twice. This is the first hive, and then a few weeks later we did the second hive. They both succumbed to the same fate. But dang, no matter what, honey gets everywhere, no matter how careful you are.
You want to get this one, or do you want me to?
You can do it.
Everywhere. There's the cat. He's helping. Now all of the honey is in the strainer on top of the bucket. I'll stir this up to break up the comb so that it has an opportunity to filter to the bottom. Oh yeah, look at that dripping down. It looks fantastic. Now this is 1 day later. We left that to drain overnight near a warm vent. So we've washed and sanitized all of these jars, and here it comes. pretty darn satisfying. So there you can see the hole that it goes through the honey bucket.
Might even just want to fill up all the small ones.
Sure, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
There they are, all finished. I didn't do a good job of weighing before and after, but we think that's about 16 to 18 pounds of honey. It's really gorgeous. And there's Jake eating some of the comb. All right, well, there's our first honey harvest. Hopefully we get many more in the future, and we'll be a little bit better beekeepers. That's more honey than we'll eat in like an entire year. So it's definitely going out to bee gifts.